In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Car Mechanic Simulator 2021 on your PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video for more content like this. So the next step is to search up this game quickly at Steam before we can continue to another website to download this game. Go to the Steam website and don't waste too much time over there, because we are going to download it on another website. Search for the game Car Mechanic Simulator 2021 and select the game. After that, scroll a little bit down and then you will find out that there is a free demo available, as you can see, but we would like to download the full game. The price on Steam is €24.50, but don't worry, we have a little workaround for this. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says Find Game Here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage. Now we will search for the same game, Car Mechanic Simulator 2021, and after that select games on the left side and sort by price lowest first. Then scroll a little bit down, and as you can see there is a PC version which can be activated in our country, so make sure this text is marked green, otherwise it won't work. So once you have found the version which can be activated, then select the game and open the game page. As you can see, we can already download this game for just €4.82 compared to the Steam price of €24.50. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games legally online. So, once you have purchased this game, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game through Steam on your own PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!